My name's Tony Hart. I got the role of National Irrigation Manager for Iplex Pipelines. We're here today with Irrigear and a trade event. And I just want to talk to you about our BlackMAX product over here. We call it Reliable Solution. It's a very structural sturdy product. It's also available as SewerMax up to SN10. This is an SN8000 pipe that's used for either drainage pipes, rubber ring joint, or you could use it for culvert pipes, centerline application. The joining system is probably best in class, we believe, in the market in Australia. It's rigid, sturdy, so you don't get an issue with ovality, and it's a constant seal joint that works very well for our civil contractors and also for the irrigation guys. It's available sizes up to 225 to 600 millimetre, and very shortly we actually have an investment that is capable that will move up to a lot larger pipes, up to 1200 millimetre in diameter. The application more so this is used in a non-pressure application. It's either used in a sewerage drainage system, a culvert system, normally to transfer high volumes of water at a low head pressure. A lot of councils are getting on board with this because of the durability of its polypropylene product and very sturdiness and rigidness. Also, you can use it in the mining sector to use cables to go through it, and that way trucks are able to drive over it without causing any damage to the cables. So a great sturdy product that can be used in various applications.